Dr. Pepper cake using cake mix is pure magic. In addition to that, the Dr. Pepper soda has a distinctive and delicious flavor. Not to mention that it goes well together with a chocolate cake, and it augments the rich chocolate flavor of the cocoa. Additionally, the best part of this cake recipe is that Dr. Pepper provides that specific cola taste. And although it is a unique combination for cake mixes, that is what makes Dr. Pepper the best. What is Dr. Pepper? Dr. Pepper is a sparkling mixture of 23 flavors. In addition to that, it is a beloved soda worldwide because of its irresistible and unique taste. Regarding shelf life, the container of the soda and plastic bottles lasts for around 3 months. On the other hand, cans or glass last approximately 9 months. However, it much depends on how long you keep the Dr. Pepper soda, whether you opened it or not. Moreover, you can serve Dr. Pepper cold or hot. Yes, you can do it hot by pouring the soda into the saucepan. Then, heat it to 180 degrees Celsius. After that, once you heat the soda, you can put it in a mug. Afterward, add a slice of lemon to give it flavor. What you will need. Ingredients: 1 chocolate cake box mix, 3 pieces of eggs, half of buttermilk, 1 Dr. Pepper soda, half cup of vegetable oil, half cup of salted butter, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Afterward, grease and line with parchment paper on a 9 by 13 baking dish. Step 2. Afterward, heat a saucepan in medium heat and stir in the butter, oil, cocoa powder, and Dr. Pepper. After that, allow to simmer, stir well until incorporated, then remove from heat. Step 3. After that, add the chocolate cake box mix into the saucepan and continuously stir using a rubber spatula. Step 4. In another bowl, whisk in the buttermilk and egg until smooth and combined. Gradually add the buttermilk mixture to the saucepan and mix until well incorporated. Step 5. After that, pour the mixture into the cake pan and bake in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or you can insert a skewer in the center, and if it comes out clean, then it is done. Step 6. Finally, place in the wire rack to cool down. Make sure that the cake is icy before cutting or frosting. Tips and tricks. Ensure to read the instructions of the cake mix thoroughly. Afterward, follow the step-by-step instructions carefully. It is best to do it one at a time since cake mixes can differ, so keep in mind that the mixing technique could be unconventional. The Dr. Pepper soda adds flavor and liquefies the recipe, and gives carbonation that helps the cake rise. Likewise, if you are thinking of omitting a diet Dr. Pepper soda, it will not have the same effect. As an alternative, you can use cherry Coke. You must be wondering why the recipe calls for both butter and vegetable oil. This duo has different purposes. Because of this, as the vegetable oil gives the texture, the butter supplements the flavor. In addition to that, you can use either one, but you will not have the same effect. The buttermilk adds a light and moist texture to the cake because the acid breaks down the gluten strands. Moreover, if buttermilk is unavailable at your local supermarket, you can make one your own by blending a cup of milk and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Also, make sure it settles to curdle. Furthermore, you can store the cake in a clean container or tightly wrap it with plastic wrap. Afterward, please keep it in the fridge for a week. Additionally, you can store it in the refrigerator, especially during summer if your kitchen is warm. Remember, Dutch cocoa powder and unsweetened cocoa powder are 2 entirely different ingredients. Keep in mind that Dutch cocoa powder is not acidic like other cocoa powders. With that, you will need to add baking powder. However, this recipe requires unsweetened cocoa powder. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.